He can't get a hold of it.
He's like, what the heck? I'm gonna look at him.
Yeah, I did.
He's like, let me get it in my cage.
Sarge!
He's moving the furniture.
Why don't you pick it up and throw it and have him pounce on it? Ron.
Ah. What a pleasant surprise. You won't think so by the time I leave. Get out of here.
Do it in the living room. Sarge!
He wants the cat food.
Come on, boy!
Nope.
He's gonna be so tired.
He knocked the television center over.
So,
Move, Ron. You're in the way.
what does this mean for the case? It means you have to find yourself another lawyer. What are you talking about? Because I no longer feel capable of handling your case in person. Why? Because I don't want to see you get one. Ron, I'm busy!
Sorry, you just forced
Come on, Sarge.
out of the way.
Come on.
How is that?
Sarge!